Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Perawati. Would like to tell about lesson 1 together 16 starting with lesson 1. Lesson 1. I'd like to meet Jeff Bennett. Story narrative. Hello everyone. In lesson 1, I like to meet Jeff Bennett. We are introduced to the main character, Jeff Bennett. What is a friendly, keen, and from actor. The story begins when some retrievers iPhone call for Mars. Bennett what tells him the Jeff father has been admitted to the hospital. Sam promoted to pass the messenger on to Jeff. From this story, we learn home to introduction some and describe a personality. Characters. The characters in the lesson are Jeff Bennett, a friendly and from actor. Sam, Jeff Corwacken, and Mars Bennett, Jeff's mother. Topic. This lesson discusses introducing summon description a person, characteristic, and using a positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Expertise centers. Jeff is handsome. Jeff is taller than Sam. Jeff is the most from actor. Degrees of comparison. Positive, tall, handsome, frost, good, busy. Comparative, taller, more handsome, more prof, better, wiser. Superlative, the taller, the most handsome, the most from, the best, the pushing. Lesson 2. But he has everything else. Story narrative. Hello everyone. In lesson 2, intensity, but he has everything else. Just 18 a job interview. Linda and Stephen asked him question about his experiences, class, and previous work. Jeff answered every 24 completely, showing then the has the qualification and experience needed for the job. Chapters. The chapters in the lesson are Jeff Bennett, the introvert, Linda, the introvert, and Stephen, the introvert. Topic. This lesson describes job introvert, explaining work experience and abilities, and using the comparative degree with the word more. Explore sentence. Jeff is more an acronym than Sam. Lesson 2. But there has everything else story narrative. Hello everyone. In the lesson 2, athlete but and has everything else. Jeff entered a job in Trevor. Linda and Stephen asked him question about his expression, skill, and previous work. Jeff and Wester every completely showing that he has the qualification and experience need for the job. Chapters. The chapters in the lesson are Jeff Bennett, the introvert, Linda, the introvert, and Stephen and Trevor. Topic: this lesson describes job in Trevor explaining work expenditure and abilities and using the comparative degree with the word more. Explicit sentences. Jeff is more entertaining than Sam. New York is more interesting than Los Angeles. Tokyo is more crowded than New York. Degree of comparison. Positive and directive, interesting, crowded, tailored, ambition. Comparative, more creative, more interesting, more colder, more tailored, more ambition. Superlative, the more increase, the more interesting, the most crowded, the most tailored, the most ambitions. Lesson 3. Which scene do you like better? Now your eye lesson English stories now. Hello everyone. In lesson 3. Athlete, which city do you like better? New York or Los Angeles? Several people compared the cities of New York and lesson English. Some prefer New York because it is bigger and buzzing, while others prefer Los Angeles because it has warmer water and more relaxed atmosphere. From this story we let home to comparative the two place and express our opinion. Lesson 4. This new job is my big break. Story narrative. Jeff Bennett get a new job that is improving abundantly for his career. He learns how to introduce himself, fill out a job application, and answer interview questions. Characters. Jeff Bennett interviewer. Topic: job interviewer, job application from personal information. Explicit sentences. My name is Jeff Bennett. I live in Los Angeles. This new job is my big break. Degrees of comparative. Positive. Happy. Concrete. Coordinate. Comparative degree. Happiest. More skillful. More confident. Comparative degree. The highest. The most concreteful. The most Lesson 5 is that the teller will leading into now. Jeff Bennett and his friends compare several buildings in the city. This lesson focus on seeing the comparative degree to decrease the tailor, biggest and most modern building. Karakter Jeff Bennett, his friends. Topic: comparative building, comparative degree, decrease and apparatus. Explicit sentence. This is the teller building into this hotel is the biggest. This new building is the most modern. Degree of comparison. Positive degree. Tall, big, modern, beautiful. Comparative degree. Tailor, bigger, more modern, more beautiful. Comparative degree. The talents, the bigger, the most modern, the most beautiful. Lesson 6. Test the most convenient lesson. Jeff Bennett compares several tests to fit the best solution based on compare these tests and felicities. Finally, consists the most convenient place. Characters: Jeff Bennett, friends again. Topic comparisons, giving opinions, comparative degree. Express sentences. This is the most conventional lesson. It is close to the office. The place is the best. Degrees of comparison. Positive degree, convenience, comfortable, good, near. Comparative degree, more convenience, more comfortable, better, near. Superlative degree, the most convenient, the most comparative, the best, the near. Lesson 7. This new job is my big break. In lesson 7. Athlete, this new job is my big break. Linda gets a new job in Chicago. She is happy because it is a great opportunity for her career. She talked with her friends about her offices, lesson and address. Through this lesson, we learned how to ask for and give address, tell about place, and congratulations someone on a new job. Characters. The characters are Linda and her friends. Topic. This lesson discourse address, asking about lunch question, and giving congratulations. Expert test. This new job is my big break. I work is Chicago. My office is on Madias stairs. Degrees of comparison. Positive degree, good, new, busy, happy, leger. Comparative degree, better, new, busier, happier, leger. Comparative degree, the best, the newest, the buzzing, the happiest, the largest. Lesson 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8. Lesson 8 is the best we can do. In lesson 8, athlete is this the best we can do. First, people comparator different products to fit the best on. These discuss qualities, Priest and Chester will learning 3 steps for comparison. Characters. The characters are seven people who compare different products. Topic. This lesson discuss irregular, comparative, and superlative adjective. Express sentences. This is better than the on. This is the best cooks. His work is worried today. Degrees of comparison. Positive degree, bad, fire, little, many. Comparative degree, better, worse, farthest, less, more. Superlative degree, the best, the worst, the farthest, the less, the most. Lesson 9. Teach your careless. In lesson 9. 18. Teach your Carlos and his friends in the tree, the owners of seven adjectives. They also possessive adjective and possessive pronouns to know of owners concretely. Character. The characters are Carlos and his friends. Topic. This lesson discusses possessive adjective and possessive pronouns. Expert sentences. This book is mean. This big is your. These chaos are his. Degrees of comparison. Positive degree, new, old, clean, healthy. Comparative degree, new, older, cleaner, healthier, leger. Superlative degree, the honor, the oldest, the class, the healthiest, the least. Lesson 10. Says I beautiful as her mother. In lesson 10, Edith says I beautiful as her mother and compares I girl with her mother. These compare their appearance, height, and personality using the partner as an adjective. Characters. The characters are an I girl, I her mother. Topic. This lesson describes as a cross adjective. An adjective express intentions. She is I beautiful as her mother. He is I teller I his father. My sister is I king I my mother. Degrees of comparison. Positive degree beautiful handphone tel yokin. Comparative degree more beautiful more handsome teller yogurt kinder. Comparative degree the most beautiful the most handsome the teller the yogurts the kids. Lesson 11. It has an enormous living room what I fantastic five in lesson 11. At least it has an enormous living room with I fantastic five several people look for an apartment to rent. They compress the rooms facilities and luncheon before choosing the most suitable apartment. Characters. The characters are people looking for an apartment. Topic. This lesson describes a house, its room, Palestine, and location. Expire sentences is has a enormous living room. The apartment has two bedrooms. The views I fantasies degrees of comparison. Positive degree big, larger, comfortable, modern, beautiful. Comparative degree bigger, larger, more comfortable, more modern, moderate, more beautiful. Comparative degree the bigger, the lux, the most comfortable, the most modern, the most beautiful. Lesson 12. Jeff B. Claims as you can in lesson 12. At least Jeff be as class as you can. Jeff prepares for his first rehearsal of murder at midnight. Stephen the director asks Jeff to stay calm and active with more confidence. Mary Beth also encourages Jeff to perform better. Through this lesson, we left about restless, giving instruction and expression confidence. Characters. The characters are Jeff, Stephen, and Maybeth. Topic. This lesson describes drama, realism, giving introduction and expression confident. Expel sentences. Jeff is ready for rehearsal. Stephen Jeff to because Mary Beth helps Jeff with his acting. Degrees of comparison. Positive degree calms, confident, pressure, comparative degree calmer, more confident, more nervous. Comparative degree the classmates, the most confident, the most nervous. Lesson 30. Do you know how my name is spelled? In lesson 30, at least do you know how my name is spelled? The my characters for moderate I meeting are introduction, Mary Beth Adams play Diana Morios. Jeff Bennett play Honey Hutter Georges was play Ben Morios and Class Tunon plays Phyllis the lesson also introduction the Morris Museum and his hospital closeton. Characters. The characters are My Bird and Jeff Bennett, Georges Watt and Christian Studion. Topic. This lesson discusses introduction characters, talking about museum and using the passive voice. Express sentences. Jeff Bennett plays Tony Hotel. Mary Beth Adams plays Diana Morris. The Stanford Deadly is displayed in the museum. Degrees of comparison. Positive degree. Important. Famous. Interesting. Comparative degree. More introvert. More from. More interesting. Superlative degree. The most interesting. The most profound. The most interesting. Lesson 14. It was given to me over 40 years ago. Story narrates. In lesson 14, at least it was given to me over 14 years ago. I clothes take place at the museum. Ben Morios and please that Argos. And later Ben is for that. Tony Hoodless class and ambulance and the police begging there in fake stations. This lesson teaches us about past events and the passion of overseas. Characters. The characters are Ben Morios, Plistead, Diana Morios, Tony Hot, and the police. Topic. This lesson discusses environment, emergency, investigations, and the passive motion. Explanation. Ben I Phyllis and I argument. Tony Kale and ambulance. Ben was found on the floor. Degree of comparison. Positive degree. Word helpful. Source. Comparative degree. Word more helpful. More serious. Superlative degree. The most worried. The most helpful. The most serious. Lesson 15. Test by leading was written by Daniel Honey. In lesson 15, entitled The Battling was written in my Daniel Honey. We learned about the biography for the Morios Museum. The museum was written in and contrast money. Its total objective. It is the smarter there is lesson the how to describe histories please using the passive voices. Characters. The characters are Benjamin Morios, Daniel Honey, and museum visitor. Topic. This lesson discusses museums, historical place, and the passive voices. Explain sentences. The museum was built in. The museum is launched in Stratford. Visual can see many historical objective degree of comparison. Positive degree. Intervene beautiful old. Comparative degree more intervene more beautiful older. Superlative degree the most intervene the most beautiful the oldest. Lesson 16. What's Estin solved for the room? This room. At least was letting story from his room. Detective store is referring by Morios. That has ghost Tony, Diane and Phyllis to find influence and in Crover. Whether I think was told from the museum the introduction condition as a furious crash for the tour. Characters. The characters are Detectives Tony Host, Diane Morios, Phyllis Tate, and Ben Morios. Topic. This lesson discusses Chris Milias, investigation, asking question, feeding and question, and using the passive voices. Explore sentences. The detective question. Tony. B was his on the head. The police looking for the clues. Degrees of comparison. Positive degree. Caravello. Honest. Precious. Comparative degree. More careful. More honest. More suspicious. Superlative degree. The most overall. The most honest. The most impression.